Hello and welcome to Wynn's Vlog Series Installment 4, and today we're going to talk about Flipgrid. Flipgrid is an amazingly awesome collaborative tool. Students respond to a prompt with a video. So talk about hitting those different learning styles. Students who enjoy watching YouTube, creating videos, which you know they do, posting them on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and every other social media outlet, they get to perform that here. So if you don't have a Flipgrid account yet, I highly recommend it. I recommend it for your secondary toolkit. Now, I am a G Suite member, so I log in with Google. And I have created just a couple Flipgrids. I am a new user of Flipgrid, albeit a new fan as well. So I will go through and show you the Flipgrid I've created in hopes that it can give you, actually we'll show you a couple in hopes that it'll give you some ideas for a Flipgrid to do yourself. So this one's called Guess the Name or Item Spelled, and I teach middle school German. So we're going over the alphabet with 6th grade at the beginning of the year, and I have spelled a word, and students listen to the word and they guess what the word is in their video, and they also provide the spelling of another word. So their classmates can choose a video to watch, whether it's mine or another student's, and they can guess what their word is and then post their own video with their own spelling. And so it carries on. And so you see I've had about 10 or 15 submissions. This was an enrichment activity, which means it was optional. So just the fact that 10, 15 out of about 60 of my students did this activity that was optional is pretty cool. So we'll have a look at the video that I made.
Guten Morgen, Klasse. We're going to try a fun activity with Flipgrid. So you're going to come on and spell any word or item that you want to that's appropriate and see if your classmates can guess what you spelled in German. So I'm going to spell the first word and see if you can guess what I'm spelling, and you'll reply with a comment saying what I spelled. And then you can record any video you want spelling your own word and see if your classmates can guess it. So the first word is C-L-A-S-S. C-L-A-S-S. Good luck.
And yes, we did have a cameo from a visitor who works with me on Mondays. And so students are able to respond to this with their own video, and they spelled their own word, and classmates will guess what they spell. So they can have fun with it. There are so many different ideas to use Flipgrid, and I'm sure that you will come up with some really cool ideas and share them with me. Please find me at @dwinberger on Twitter and let me know some of those things that you've come up with. So let's go back and we'll show you how to create a Flipgrid. So click Add Topic, and we'll just put here demonstration of Flipgrid. And you'll start with a prompt or a question. And you can give a time limit for how long the video will be. So if you have some long-winded students and you want to limit the time of their video, you can certainly do that. You can add different types of media, which I'll show you on the second project I've done, or the second assignment I've done with Flipgrid. You can add images or other videos or pre-made videos or prompts in order to enhance your Flipgrid and the quality. Students join using their email, so this is important. You can keep the Flipgrid private, and that way no outside users will be able to infiltrate your Flipgrid. I choose public because it's a lot easier to create. You don't have to go through the painstaking process of entering each student's email and who will be allowed. But if you're a person who, you're really a stickler about that privacy, then I would definitely suggest setting your Flipgrid on private. And then we'll create the topic. And I just need to go back here and highlight public. All right, and there's the link. You can put that link into your LMS. And you're ready to go. And the other Flipgrid I just want to show you quickly is one that I did insert some media. And we're doing a meme project in 8th grade. And students are prompted to find their favorite meme and insert an image of that, and then they're discussing the meme. This was actually an option for a way to tackle an assignment. So there was 5 different ways. One was text, one was annotating with Cami, one was a Google form paragraph style short answer question, and a couple of them were creating a Kahoot and Gimkit for the rest of the class about the topic. And so this one was a way for students to record a video and their voice providing that answer. So different, when we're teaching in this virtual world, it's important to give students choice. And it's important to give students choice in any case. So this is one way that you could provide an assignment to a student and allow them, rights on how they can tackle that assignment. Do they do it with a video message? Do they do it with text? Do they do it with a drawing, with some other creative form? This is just another quiver another arrow in your quiver to provide students with choice, which is extremely important, as we teachers know. And so students were to give a 3 to 5 minute presentation or oral representation of their meme and talk about it in terms of what we had discussed previously in class. So again, I've just started Flipgrid. I love it. I'm going to definitely use it more this year. And please, please, please get in touch with me. Let me know how it's worked out in your classes, what types of activities you've used it for. And you can find me on Twitter @DWimberger. And I hope you have a great rest of your October. Happy Halloween.